Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Supabase Storage for image uploads in mobile step by step clearly. To activate Supabase Storage for image uploads in your mobile application, start by ensuring you have a Supabase project set up. Navigate to the Supabase dashboard and select your project. In the left sidebar, click on the Storage option. If you haven't created a new bucket yet, click on New Bucket. Name your bucket appropriately, such as images or uploads. Make sure to configure the permissions for your bucket according to your needs. You can choose between public and private access. To upload images directly from your mobile app, ensure your app has the required permissions for file access. Now, within your mobile application, install the Supabase client library. For React Native, use the command npm install at supabase/supabase.js. Import the necessary Supabase functions in your project. Initialize your Supabase client with your project's URL and public API key. Next, create a function to handle image selection from the mobile device. You can use libraries like React Native Image Picker for this functionality. Once an image is selected, convert it to a blob format, which is suitable for uploading. Now it's time to upload the image to your Supabase bucket. Use the upload method provided by Supabase, passing in the bucket name, file path, and the blob. After a successful upload, you will receive a public URL of the image. You can store this URL in your database if needed. If you encounter any errors during the upload, handle them appropriately within your app. Test the app to ensure images are uploaded correctly. Finally, verify that the images are accessible via their URLs, both in your application and directly in the browser. Congratulations, you've successfully activated Supabase Storage for image uploads in your mobile application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.